what it looks like. Okay. Sunday.
Damn. I finally got to see something I haven't seen in years. Guys, this is my 2007 Chevy Silverado. This truck is basically long gone now. It's no longer existing. But this is when I first got it back in 2007. And I remember this video, but it's crazy to think. There it is. It's my first ever truck right here. It's crazy, man. It's crazy to see this video. I don't remember what happens in this video, guys, but we're going to pause it. There we go, guys. I don't know what I'm going to do in this video, but we're going to find out real quick. Looks like I'm in the truck. I'm dancing. I'm dancing in the truck there. Oh, I'm backing it up. There's the truck backing up. Oh, I'm coming back. Get a little picture of me. Now I'm backing up. I spun it around. I'm backing up around the tree. I think I just ran into a tree. Oh my god. Guys, I've been wanting to watch this video. This video is probably almost 16 years old, guys. This is when I first got my Chevrolet. There's the truck. I'm driving it around. There it goes. It's going around the tree there. You see it. Oh, there's the truck coming back. Wow. Oh, spun a little bit. There's my truck again. Driving around this tree for some reason. It's crazy. So I'm driving it again around this tree. Oh, got a little sideways. Pause it. Well, guys, there's a video I haven't even seen in over 15 years, guys. I didn't know that video still existed. But I just found something I've been wanting to watch for 15 years. My old 2007 Chevy Silverado. My first ever truck, guys. It's crazy. It's crazy. This is 2023. Today is March 15th, 2023. And that's the first time I watched that video. I don't know when. Like, seriously, I don't even know when the last time I ever watched it. But yeah, guys. Like I always say, like, share, subscribe. I just wanted to show you guys that video. But, pretty cool. Old video.